Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying viewer intent and building a promise for the first 10 seconds. That promise drives watch time. Once you know the audience, script a strong, specific hook and follow with a value map so each segment answers a question. Make sure to capture clean audio and 9 visuals now, because poor quality kills retention. Also, add visible chapter markers and a single clear call to action. These guide viewers to stay and continue watching. Once the hook is live, you must craft the middle to sustain momentum. Think in micro-episodes that last 30 to 90 seconds. You should alternate teaching bits with quick teasers about what comes next, so viewers feel rewarded and curious. Make sure to use jump cuts, supporting graphics, and subtle sound cues to reset attention. Also, sequence content logically, present the problem, show the solution, demonstrate it, then give a concise recap to cement value and extend viewing. You finish by delivering the payoff promised in your hook and then immediately link to the next video or chapter. This funnels more watch time. Once done, examine retention graphs for 15 to 60-second drop zones and run a /B tests on thumbnails and titles to isolate issues. If a specific section loses viewers, re-edit with tighter pacing, add a visual cue, or move the payoff earlier. Troubleshooting tip: when retention stalls, simplify, remove filler, and make the main value explicit sooner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.